Here's a flash revision guide on sizes, scales and orders of magnitude. Prokaryotic cells have a tiny size of around 1 micrometer, whereas eukaryotic cells have a much larger size of around 10 to 100 micrometers. To get an idea of these sizes, a micrometer, which we use a mu symbol for, is 1,000 times smaller than a millimeter. This means 1,000 micrometers are equal to 1 millimeter, and 1,000 millimeters are equal to 1 meter. So this means that prokaryotes are a million times smaller than a meter ruler. That's because 1,000 times 1,000 is a million. To convert from micrometers to millimeters, you can divide by 1,000, and to go the other way around, you can just multiply by 1,000. This is the same for millimeters to meters. You can divide by 1,000 to get to meters, and to get from meters back to millimeters, you can multiply by 1,000. So let's try using this in an example. Let's say we had a eukaryotic cell with a size of 67 micrometers. You can divide it by 1,000 to give you 0.067 millimeters. And if you divide by 1,000 again, that will give you an answer of 6.7 times 10 to the minus 5 meters. Now you can also use orders of magnitude to make rough comparisons of sizes or quantities between two different things. For example, if we had a bacteria cell that was 1 micrometer and a plant cell that was 10 micrometers, we would say the plant cell is 10 times bigger than the bacteria cell. Another way to say this is the plant cell is 1 order of magnitude bigger than the bacteria cell. This is because for every 10 times an object is larger than another, the order of magnitude increases by 1. So if the plant cell was 100 micrometers, we would say it's 100 times greater, or 2 orders of magnitude larger because it increases by 10 2 times. 1,000 times would be 3 orders of magnitude, 10,000 would be 4, and so on. So earlier when we said that prokaryotic cells were a million times smaller than a meter ruler, another way to say this is that it's 6 orders of magnitude smaller. That's because dividing by a million is the same as dividing by 10 6 times.